How would you describe Central Group Collective?
We're people that really, because I've like handpicked a lot of people that are in the group. We take a lot of time to like definitely like dive into like the type of music we're gonna be playing. We like handpick a lot of tracks. Like we're not just gonna be playing like stuff that like we kind of like fuck with this and that. We're definitely gonna be like the type of people who like play stuff that we know is gonna like get the crowd moving. Like we know it's like a banger, like or unique or like stuff like that. You know?
So how would you describe it though? Would you say it's a group of DJs creating, parties, events for the crowd, or
Yeah,
that's
pretty
pretty
much
much
that's
what it
what it is.
is?
Yeah, basically, yeah. That's definitely what it is. Like we definitely try to like always have like the vibes elevated for like everyone.